Ready? Whose birthday is it?
Finn.
Yeah, how old is he?
3.
He's 3? How old do you think he is then?
8.
How old?
8.
8?
3. And
Tom, how
5.
old do you think Finn is? Ah, ba, 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 ba. Ah, da, 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 da. So, 8 and 3. You know how old I think Finn is?
How?
52. Should we sing him happy birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. How does that song go again? I don't remember.
Happy birthday
To you.
cha 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 cha.
Day to you. Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday, dear.
Finn. Happy birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Finn. Can you see the video?
How old do you think he is?
8.
How old do you think he is?
5
5 and 6. Oh, he wants to get it on the action. How old is Finn? How old is Finn?
and 6.
He's going back to his chicken and peas.
Mom, can I see his video? The video?
Yeah. All right, should we tell Finn to have a good day?
Yeah. Have a good day, Finn.
Char, what do you want to say to Finn? Here, get hydrated. What do you want to say to Finn? What do you think? Do you want to say have a good day?
Or
Do you want to say
birthday.
happy birthday? Do you want to say eat a lot of cake? Charlie, what do you want to say?
Say happy birthday, eat a lot of cake.
What do you want to say, Charlie?
Happy birthday.
Perfect.